Osho said, "The greatest fear in the world is the opinion of others, and the moment you are unafraid of the crowd, you are no longer a sheep, you become a lion. A great roar arises in your heart, the roar of freedom. Sheep have no freedom. The sheep live with fear and uncertainty every day. A sheep never leads, a lion never follows. A lion is in complete control of his or her life. The lion does not accept scraps and does not get told what to do or where to go. You will never lead a lion to slaughterhouse. They will lead you. The lion is the king of jungle. And it's not because the lion is biggest. It's not because the lion is fastest. It's not because the lion is blessed with any great advantage over other animals. It's the mentality of lion that makes the lion the king of jungle. Let's see, what is the lion mentality? Fearless courage. Bravery is the key trait of lion. The lion will never lie down and die, not even if surrounded by 10 hyenas. The fight is never over. Maybe you are not surrounded by hyenas. Maybe you are just buried by bills. Maybe you need to stand up for something you believe in, that no one around you agrees with. Do not give up. Do not give in. Be fearless in going after what you really want in your life. Maybe you have been at it for years and nothing has worked yet. Maybe you are tired of hunting your goals and seeing no rewards. Do not give up. You must keep fighting. You have no guarantees of success if you keep going, but you do have possibility. There's a chance. The only guarantee comes with quilting, and that is the guarantee of missing out on the life you really want. Keep fighting for life you must have regardless of hyenas. No surrender. Certainty. The lion is certain. The lion never second guesses. When the lion goes in, it goes in 100%. There's nothing half-hearted about the lion. How great could your life be if you lived with the certainty of life? What if you just started believing in yourself and your own abilities? How far could you go with unbreakable self-belief? Who could you become if there was no doubt in you and just went for everything you want in the life with the same ruthless certainty as a lion hunting its prey? You can't rely on other people to achieve the results you want in your life. You are the only one responsible for your results. Take responsibility, take ownership, take action. Only you know what is the best for your life. Only you know which path to take in each moment of your life. You must make those decisions with the certainty. Freedom. The lion has freedom because the lion demands freedom. The lion has freedom because he fights for freedom. His very nature says he will die for that freedom. Perhaps there is no more valuable asset on this earth than freedom. Something you could only understand if you have experienced a lack of it in your own life. You must fight for freedom. The freedom to speak your mind. The freedom to be who you want to be. The freedom to live on your terms. Freedom means fairness for all. There is no greater value. Fight for your freedom. Competence. Lions are said to sleep around 20 hours a day. Still, they never go hungry. They get up and they get job done. They earn their rest. They earn their success. They earn their freedom. There are great rewards for competence. If you provide more value to others than anyone else in a shorter space of time, you will be rewarded, and you will be rewarded well. And often it doesn't matter how long you work. It matters how good that work is. It doesn't matter how many hours you have put in. It only matters how much value you have created. Develop yourself into a competent machine. Work on what matters in your life with a laser focus, ruthless determination, and a burning desire to do everything to the very best of your ability. That builds pride and respect for yourself. You might be smarter than me. You could be stronger than me. You might have more luck than me, but you cannot defeat me. You will not detach me from my purpose. You will not distract me from my goals. You will not dethrone me, and you will never destroy me. I will wake up with the intention, alert, ready, focused. Whatever I want, I go after. Whatever I go after, I get. If it matters to me, I will get it. I will have it. I will be it. You cannot defeat me. You cannot detach me from my purpose. You cannot distract me from my goals. You cannot dethrone me. You cannot destroy me.